Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host LC, and this is the Super Kids Art Club.
Pepperoni.
Hey guys, it's LC here, and in today's video, we're going to be making our own paper plate pizza. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of the Super Kids Art Club. Okay guys, so let's get started. Here's some of the supplies that you're going to need for today's project. Alright guys, now let's grab our red construction paper and let's fold it in half. Now let's take our pencil and draw a circle. This is going to be our pepperoni. Draw 3 circles along the top and another 3 right below. Now take your scissors and cut along the outline of your pepperoni. Now just repeat this step until you have all your pepperoni. Wow! Look at all that delicious pepperoni! Now let's grab your black construction paper. Now fold the paper in half. Draw 5 small circles in a row along the top. Now we're going to cut along the outline of the circles, and these will be your black olives. Cut all around the circles. Repeat this step until you got all of your black olives. Now let's put those right next to the pepperoni. Okay, let's grab the pink construction paper now. Now let's fold it in half. Cut along the paper like this. Leave a small space between the cut and the edge. Now we're going to turn those long pieces of paper into small squares. This is going to be your bacon or your ham. You're doing such a great job so far. Look at all that bacon flying everywhere. You did it! Alright, now let's grab our green construction paper. This is going to be the green bell peppers. Now fold the paper in half. And use your scissors to cut along the edge of the paper. Remember to leave a small space between your cut and the edge. Now take those long pieces of paper and we're going to cut those into small rectangles. And that's going to be your green bell peppers. Last but not least is our yellow construction paper.
It's time to cut the cheese! Hi-ya!
And this is gonna be for our cheese. Now fold the paper in half. Then grab our scissors and then cut that in half again. And just like before, cut along the edges. Make sure to leave room between the cut and the edge. Repeat this step until you get all the cheese that you want. Now let's grab our cheese and start cutting those into smaller pieces. And you can cut as much cheese as you want. Then you'll have a really cheesy pizza. We did it! Now we have all of our ingredients.
Shall I list the ingredients? No. Cheddar. Provolone.
Mike, don't you do it!
Asiago.
Keep it together!
Palagio.
I don't even know what that is.
Mozzarella, of course.
All right.
Okay guys, so here are all of our ingredients one more time. We got the ham and the bacon, the green bell peppers, the pepperoni, the black olives, and the cheese. Now let's take our paper plate, and this is going to be our pizza crust. Don't forget to grab your paintbrush and our red paint. This is going to be our sauce. So let's start putting some sauce on our crust. Sauce it up real good so all of our ingredients can stick to our pizza. Look at all that sauce. Now it's time to add all of our toppings. First, let's start off with the cheese. Now just drop all your cheese onto the sauce. Now let's go to our pepperonis and spread the pepperoni all around the pizza. Now do the same for the black olives all around the pizza. And now the green bell peppers. That looks so good. Now let's grab your ham and spread that all around the pizza. Now let's top it off with some more cheese. This is gonna be one cheesy pizza. And just like that, we have our very own pizza. It looks good enough to eat. That is one delicious pizza.
Yuck. You guys won't like it. I'll take the rest.
No way! Back off!
Now remember, if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. And you too can be a part of the Super Kids Art Club.